In this video, I will show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals shaders compiling slow or stuck. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, on desktop, you need to go on search and look for Steam. Then right click again on Steam, open file location. Then right click again, and then go to a open file location again until you see Steam exe. Right click again, go to show more options, properties, compatibility. Make sure run this program in compatibility mode 4 is not selected, as well as disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator also is not selected. And then apply the changes if there is some. Then you need to go to Steam, go to Marvel Rivals, right click on it, properties, install files, browse. Here you need to look for Marvel Rivals launcher exe. This one here, right click again, show more options, properties, compatibility, and also make sure these options is not selected as well. Then what you need to do here is to go back on Steam, go to Marvel Rivals, general, and then here you need to write dash use all available cores, right? And leave the launch option like this. Then what you need to do here is you need to press on the blank space on your desktop, show more options, and go to NVIDIA control panel if you use one. Then you need to manage the 3D settings, make sure it's global settings here, and then you need to scroll down until you see, as you can see, it should be shader cache size. And then you need to make it to 5 GB here, and then apply the changes. After that, launch the game, and your issue should be solved. That's pretty much it.